Hello, Steph. Happy birthday sa'yo and happy christening.
Happy birthday sa apo ko kay Don Stepan.
Happy first birthday, anak. Lagi kang maging good boy. Love na love ka ni Mita and Daddy Lo.
Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. In the shadow of the city.
Happy birthday, Steph! Sobrang saya namin na dumating ka sa buhay namin. Hiniling ka namin kay Lord, tapos dumating ka sa perfect timing.
Nung una, parang naiisip ko pa lang parang hindi ko ata kayang maging magulang. Pero nung hindi pala siya pinag-aaralan, natututunan siya. Kaya sobrang saya ko kasi andyan ako para kay Steph. Tuwing makikita mo siya sa umaga at saka bago siya matulog, sobrang saya mo. Kahit na pagod ka na, pag nakita mo yung ngiti niya, magiging masaya ka.
At the top of the world tonight, when no one ever has to hide. At the top of the world tonight, you're sitting safe and starry-eyed. There is treasure you can find, and something someone left behind. At the top of the world tonight, it can stay this way, at least until the morning light.
Sobrang mahal ko si Steph. Nung dumating siya, lumabas yung strength ko na hindi ko alam na ganun pala ako kalakas.
Wish ko lang ay sana maging malaki kang maayos, marespeto, tsaka may takot sa Diyos. At gusto ko mahalin mo si mami mo kung gaano ko siya kamahal. At ang pinapangako ko lang tulad ng pangako kay mami na masaya yung magiging pamilya natin. Walang away, walang gulo. At yun lang yung pangako. Sisikapin ko na maging maayos yung pamilya natin.
The top of the world tonight, you're sitting safe